Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Phil. I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. Before we get started, how do you feel about my mascara? I use the Superhero It Mascara. My aunt really recommended this and I really wanted to try it out. So how do we feel about it? I think it's pretty. I think more on a less dramatic look, it'd probably be a lot better. But yes. Alright, and we have lashes on. I use the So Charming lashes. Yeah, I just can't do just the mascara. I gotta have false. And when you can see the title of this video, I am celebrating the 1 year of my channel. That is right, a year from this week ago, I uploaded my first YouTube video. So for this video, I kind of want to just watch the videos, kind of go over my channel. Alrighty, and before we get into all of the fun topics, I just wanted to turn the topic to a little bit more serious. As some of you guys may know, my mother passed away. She passed away on March 29th. I'll be 100% real, it has not been easy at all whatsoever. Although every day has gone a little easier, but you know, I'm still dealing with it. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's left a kind message, helped my brothers, myself, my dad, everyone. You know, a lot of my aunts have been very helpful, even though themselves lost a sibling. But you know, you guys have just been really amazing and so helpful. It wasn't in my thought that, oh, I'm gonna not have my mom when a year from my channel. It's definitely a crazy thought. It's not something that I ever would have thought would have happened, but you know, life throws curveballs at you, and I don't know, just gotta go with it, I guess. So yes, once again, thank you guys everyone for all your kind messages. I do look over them. I really wanted so much that I had to comment every single one of them, but it was just a little too hard for me to do that. You know, even though my mom is not here on earth anymore, I know that she is here within spirit, watching over everyone that she loved. And on a side note, today's look was created using the Blue Blood palette. Here it is right here. Super beautiful. We love and live for it. So my first video is a two-parter. It's my go-to routine. There's part 1 and part 2. I kind of wish I did it as one because the second one didn't get as much views as the first one, and it's not like they were that long anyways. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. This video I'll take you through my normal routine and as well as all the products that I really enjoy and cannot live without. So yeah, without further ado, here it is. We're going to go in with our Makeup Forever HD foundation, and we're going to take the Morphe. Okay, can I just say something? So as soon as I got my more professional camera, that foundation I actually don't like anymore. I don't know if it's that shade or if it's just the way that it goes on camera, but it just does not make my skin look that great. Next, we're going to go in with this Log Pro Contour Palette. I just recently got this, and I really love it. Okay, let me just give some thoughts on that. Back then, I did think it worked, but I don't think it works as great as Kat Von D, and I don't know, I just don't like the undertones of it. I think it blends out amazingly, but I don't like the undertones of it. I don't know, does it look good? Leave in the comments down below if it looks good. Last but not least, setting spray. Right now, the Morphe currently is my favorite setting spray. Speaking of, it's just a continuous spray. Ooh, I have the one with the new logo. Oh, it's so sweaty. And there is my routine. And that was my go-to. Hang on, let's watch this. And if you want to see my go-to eyeshadow routine, that'll be featured in the next video. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching my video. Oh my god. Okay, so I remember recording that like 50 million times, and just when I finally got it, I was like, I got it. Okay, so now we're going to do my most viewed video, which is the Face Shop and Coca-Cola eyeshadow palette. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Phil. Am I wearing the same one? No. Boy who likes playing with makeup. So yeah, let's go into this video. As you can see, I already did my face. Everything that I used on my face. No nail polish? Listed right down below. So this video went red, has a red mirror. It all ties into everything. That music though. A month ago, I was on Twitter and I stumbled upon Coca-Cola makeup. I should do a video where I retry that eyeshadow palette. I'm obsessed with Coke. I assume that is probably going to be around the same size as Oh, was I in shock from that. Here we go. Oh, it's so packed. Oh, wow. And this is the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's really cute, I'm not gonna lie. But I actually was really disappointed with the size of it. The only time that they worked well was when I used my fingers with it, and like, that looks actually pretty cute. I mean, yeah, it's true, there was a lot of fallout. The color, and just the shadows did not blend well. I'm kind of disappointed. All of this lip though, this lipstick is really cute. I would not recommend this if you want to actually use it, but if you want to just be... Okay, we got it. Okay, so my thoughts, it is a Korean product and Korean eyeshadows are not that pigmented. So that's actually why it didn't work for me, because I was using it in a way where I was using it like an American eyeshadow palette where it's fully pigmented, it blends like a breeze. But those eyeshadow palettes are meant for like using your fingers. That's why when I used my fingers, it was a lot better. Okay, now let's talk about the clapback that I got on the video. So there's one comment on there that kind of was like, well, I mean, it was and it's not. So this is kind of late, but you need to realize that this is supposed to be Korean, all in caps, makeup. Koreans like the subtle and natural look. What you went for was a bold look, which is not what the palette is intended for, or made for. Oh, and because Koreans tend to prefer to use their fingers instead of brushes, they don't get all the powder fallout with the emoji. And then the user provides a link to a bold Korean look. Well, my clapback for that is my friend recently went to Korea and actually showed me tons of photos of brands that have brushes. So, to that statement, but I mean, I get what they're saying. You know, I did use the palette not how it's intended to be, so that is why I got the result that I got. But in my defense, I'm an American channel. My audience is, you know, of American culture. So if I were to bring a product like that onto my channel, they're going to expect to see me use it in that way. Although I do wish that before filming the video, I had known that, and then I could have said, hey, you know, I'm doing a review on this product, but I'm not using it how it's intended to, so if it doesn't work out, don't shoot the product down. Now we're gonna go to my video that most exploded. As soon as I uploaded, there was like 100 views that day, which I never had in a video. So yeah. Okay. Living. You look like a girl, not a Alrighty, hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Phil, and I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. And for today's video, I have a special guest here with me today.
Hi, my name is Celeste. As you all may know me, my name is Henry. I'm a little drag queen.
Oh, thank you. I need that.
Alright,
so fun fact,
Smashbox photo finish porn.
So we didn't film this at my house, we filmed it at his house. And so we literally just threw a blanket on like his closet door, kind of like pinned it over, and just filmed that way. And we used his lighting, which one of his like lights was like broken. It was a mess. Hopefully when part 2 comes out, it's a better situation.
So can you do like crazy looks, like draw like moons on your face or like
I drew hearts on my face. Does that count?
That would be something cute. Get up in the gig, Henny. I don't know who Henny is, but get up in here, girl. Right up in here, get my close-up, get everything. I look gorgeous in this monitor. Yeah, it looks fucking fabulous. And one word of advice, we don't get cute. We get drop dead gorgeous.
So yeah, how do you feel about this look?
Girl, I'm gagging, like, look at me. I don't know what it is, but girl, I'm it.
Okay, so I think this is the appropriate time to watch this. So my first YouTube video, the go-to routine, actually isn't my first video ever. There actually is one before it, and it's actually on private. Should we watch it? I think we should watch it. Oh God, I don't want to watch it. Oh my God, I cannot believe I'm gonna I cannot feel I'm actually gonna allow this on my channel.
Hello everyone.
Oh!
Welcome to the channel. And now let's get this book started today.
Can we just talk about? So I did this in my bedroom, and I just threw a sheet up, and I had my DVDs showing, and for some reason I thought that that fur was a great look.
Sweet.
I just can't with this, like, look at this backdrop. Oh my god. So
Now we're going with our Wet n Wild concealer.
So back then I didn't have any like lighting or anything. All I had was two like little desk lamps, and one of them was made of glass. And I remember as I was trying to prop it up, it fell and the light and the glass part of it shattered. So the light no longer like was concentrated. It went everywhere. Okay, so let me just tell you guys the setup that I had for this, because it's nowhere close to what I had today. So I was sitting on the floor. I had an ironing board because you could like adjust the height of it. So I had the camera on there, and then I had like a couple plastic things, and I had it rearranged so that it would reflect off each other, so that I would be able to see myself, because the camera that I had, it didn't have like a screen that flipped forward. And at the time of filming this one, I didn't have my camera connected to a TV. So it was super ghetto, super ratchet. Like the background is not even ironed or steamed.
Look at that. Oh, I hope the camera's catching the beauty of this.
It is really beautiful.
First of all, the camera's on.
It's so crazy to see me still use all these products. Like, I still use MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I still use the Patrick Star. I still use that brush. I still use that mirror. Sorry, my camera exceeded the recording, but I will just give you a recap as to what happens. Basically, I tried the eyeshadow palette, and it's super powdery. I hate it. And also, I think my camera died while I was filming it. We were super together. So the video is actually not 100% completed. But if you guys want to, I'll leave a poll right here. If you guys really want to see that video and want me to unprivate it, let me know. Alrighty, and now to wrap things up, I just want to say thank you everyone who has shown my channel support. Every like, every view, every share, whatever it is that you did to contribute to my channel by supporting it. Thank you guys so much. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show it some love by clicking that like button down below. If you enjoyed me, then show me some love by subscribing to my channel and share with all your squirrel friends. Click the bell notification down below to alert exactly when I upload. And follow me on Twitter. That's kind of when I mention when I'm going to be releasing a new video. Just because right now I don't have a schedule. And then click the videos around that are floating. You may, if you like this one, maybe you'll enjoy some of those. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have an awesome day.